Morning everyone, this is Raciel Perales aka Razi, and today I have some accessories for the Mavic Mini that I think are essential. So let's go. Alright, so the first one, I got backup propellers. I haven't crashed or anything like that, thank God, but I've had issues with the case. So the propellers, they don't always stay in place. They like to move around sometimes they don't, but most of the time they'll kind of wobble out of place. And if you're not careful placing it in and out of the case, those will bend, causing your drone to give you all these warnings and stuff, and that you have to change them out. So just in case, got the backup, because you never know. And the last thing you want is your drone to fall from the sky. Alright, so for these next two, I just received. So let's start with the second one, which would be the Mavic Mini Propeller. Let me see if I can get that in there. Propeller holder. I don't know if it can focus there. There we go. So this is actually new to me. I just received it. And so what this does, right, so on its own, the propellers on the Mini, they tend to move a lot. So what this is supposed to do for a safer travel is to wrap around your Mini or your drone, and it'll keep, or actually this is specifically to the Mini, not any drone. So it'll wrap around your drone and it'll keep the propellers in one specific spot, so they're not like this when you're traveling with it. So that's definitely gonna help out a lot, because I've been having a lot of issues with just kind of like damaging the propellers. Not like severe damage, but just like a slight bend or something like that will cause it to not want to fly, or hopefully it doesn't, like I said, fall from the sky. Really excited to have this, because I've been having so many issues with the blades. So this will definitely save me from having to swap out my blades so often. Let's have it. Alright, so for the third one, we got the travel bag by DJI. It looks pretty good. I like it. I did like the yellow, that's why I chose that one. Alright. Yeah. Alright, so it has a water repellent area for the Mini, and you can keep it like secure, locked up with this and fastened. And I believe this one in yellow, I think that's a area or section or compartment for actually the Osmo Pocket. So that's actually pretty cool. So you can travel, if you have the Osmo Pocket, you can travel with the Mavic Mini here, and then you can have your Osmo on this area. And then in the back, you got this back compartment where you can probably, there's actually a little slit here too, so you can put probably some, I don't know, some manuals or cable. And then in here, you can easily fit the control. Oh yeah, you can definitely fit the control and the batteries and some extra goodies in there easily. It comes with the strap, so you can put it over your body and easy travels. A lot easier than this one for sure. I mean, this one's good because it's a hard case and everything, but you would have to travel with this like this or in another backpack. And this pretty much a lot easier. Just put it over yourself and let's go. I like that. I really like the style of this. I like the see-through of this, and I love the yellow. I don't know, just like yellow. You can find all these accessories at DJI.com. If you have, or you're thinking about getting a Mavic Mini, I definitely recommend these accessories. I think they're essential. I mean, the blades, you never know when you're gonna need to change them out, or if you damage or you hit something and you need to swap them out then and there. I mean, hopefully there's not bigger damage to your drone, right? But having those propellers extra or backup in your bag will definitely help you and save you a lot of time and get you those shots that you were trying to get. And same for this guy here. Hopefully this helps, which I really have high hopes for this thing. So so your propellers won't be damaged all the time, or just to keep them safe, you know. So that's, I believe that's a really strong one there. And not just that one, but obviously the back too. I mean, it depends for everybody's needs, right? But I think this is quite a good one, just because I do have the Osmo Pocket 2, and then the Mavic Mini would fit here perfectly. And then it is water resistant, I believe, just because it is like that plastic. So I mean, if it's raining or anything like that, it'll just fall off from there. I don't believe this one is though. So, but anyways, you're not gonna be flying your drone in the rain. I definitely recommend these accessories. I believe, in my opinion, they're absolutely essential. The backup propellers, the propeller holder so you don't damage them through travel, and then the travel bag to keep all your goodies ready to go in your bag. Easy, go, let's go. So definitely recommend them. And I believe that's it for today. So alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it was useful or just entertaining for you guys, and I'm gonna sign off for now, but till next time, thank you guys, see ya.